Today I'm going to show you a short little tour of this garden here. This is a blueberry bush right here. And in this bed we got tomatoes, lots of tomatoes. Delicious. And we got the big tomatoes at the end. This is rhubarb. And these, not too much growing in these little pots here. And we got beets right here. These are potatoes. Looks like some more beets right here. Oh wow. Look at those beets. Okay, the potatoes. And this is Swiss chard. This is the cucumber vines. I don't see any cucumbers right now. I think they all got picked. And look, here's the green beans. And we got yellow beans. And look here, purple beans. And got peppers. And see here. And there's the dog. His name is Junior. This right here is a little tomato plant that just came up. Sounds like the garbage truck's coming. But no, can't be. I don't think garbage day is today. I don't know. Some sort of truck's coming. Yeah. Look at all these tomatoes here. We got 3 plants of cherry tomatoes and 3 plants of the larger tomatoes. Tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. Oh, look here. Got some marigolds right there. Planted in with the tomatoes. Marigolds help keep the insects away from the tomatoes, supposedly. Anyways, it's old traditional way of keeping the bugs away from the tomato plants. So marigolds have a strong smell that insects don't like. Mussel deer don't like either. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the garden today. Thanks for watching.